Hey everyone, I'm Austin from Premixed, and this week for Time Trial Tuesday, we'll be playing WRC and going to Japan. The stage we're going to be doing in Japan is the Hakono Lake stage, and we'll be doing this in wet conditions, so it's going to be wet tarmac out there. And to make things even harder, we're going to be using a rear-wheel drive Group B car. The vehicle we'll be using is the BMW M1 Pro Car. We've used this car before on the snow stage, and we might have done another tarmac stage, but we haven't done it on wet tarmac. So I've already played around a little bit with the settings, adjusted some of my toe settings and camber settings to get it where I like it. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see how challenging this car is. It was a bit of a fight last time when we were on the snow. So it should be fun to try and rip it through the stage and see how good of a time we can get. But yeah, I'm really excited, so let's jump right into it.
Left 30, good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Slide left 30, 2 right short, opens, 40, 3 right, half long, 80. Slide left 60, 4 left short, 30, 5 right short, into 5 left, long, tightens 3, 30, 3 right of a crest, tightens 70. Slide right to the crest, 40. Crest into sudden, 3 right, long, opens. 6 left, slowing, and 4 right, tightens, and 3 left, long, tightens, 30. 2 right, 50. 3 left, 80. 4 right, 100. Late, 3 left, 30, 2 right to the crest. 150. Late, 3 left, keep in, 40, 5 right to the crest, half long. Into right to the crest, to slight left, and 3 right, 30, 2 left, half. Crest, 100. Slight left, tightens 5, 90. 3 right, half long. Opens 6, very long. 40, slowing. Slight left, 50, 2 left, long. 30, 5 right. And 4 left short, into 4 right, and 1 left, and 5 right. Into 5 left, don't cut. To 3 right, into 5 left, and open hairpin right. And 6 left. Into crest, 100, slowing. Caution, 5 right and 1 left, long, opens, tightens 2, 30. 3 right, half long, tightens open hairpin, 40. Slight right, 60. 2 left short, into 2 right short, 30. 5 left of the crest. And slight right, slowing. 80, late open hairpin left, 50, late 2 right, very long tightens, 50, 6 left, and slight right, 100, slight right short, 170, slowing, 1 left, long, opens, 50, 2 right, long, 50, slight right, long, 150. Slight left short, 1. And 5 right, 170. 5 right short, and slight left, long, tightens 5, 110. 5 right, 30. Slight left, slowing, 40, 4 right short, 30, 2 left, opens very long, tightens 3, 40, 2 right, long, tightens, 160, keep in, 60, finish, 90, 6 left to stop. Okay, that's a 3-minute 57.4.
Holy cow, I'm so relieved that I actually got a personal best down. I was actually having camera troubles for a while. I would set a good lap. Like initially, I think I set one of my faster laps. It was still in fourth, but it was 4:02 is what I set. But I was having camera issues, and then I tried fixing it again, and I went again. And then I hit like 3:59, and then I still had camera issues, and finally I got it fixed out for this 3:57, which I'm so happy with. And yeah, it's only 3 seconds off the leader, which there's not many people on this leaderboard, but the amount of times I actually tried to or reset another good lap, just pushing hard, and the amount of times I actually failed. This wasn't a super easy like one and done type time trial, which they usually aren't, but it wasn't super easy. I had a lot of failed attempts, which we'll show right now.
Rest 100. Tightens open hairpin 40, slight right, single front tightens 30, very long 70.
Yeah, and as you just saw, like the amount of failed attempts I had, it was so easy to spin out this car, and I even adjusted the setup a bunch. But if you weren't careful, it was very easy to go over the limit of the car, and just being rear-wheel drive oversteer was not your friend, and being wet out, it was just a tough combination. But yeah, I had so much fun with that. It was so rewarding when I actually finished it and had a lap actually be recorded good. I was happy with that it's finally recorded fine. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you want to try to be at the top of the leaderboards, there's not, like I said, there's not many people on this leaderboard. So Japan, wet, Hakono Lake, rear-wheel drive Group B. You can try and set a time. I encourage you to try and beat my time. Like I said, it's fun driving these cars. They're a big challenge, but it's fun when you actually, and feels super rewarding when you actually get a good lap down and get up the leaderboards quite a bit. But yeah, like always, if there is a game, car, or track that you would like us to cover, please list it down in the comment section down below. And also, I'd like to hear your thoughts on what you think of the camera angles I've been using, and if there's any camera angles I might be missing or anything like that, I'd love to hear you guys' opinion on that. So yeah, but I hope to see you guys again next week for another Time Trial Tuesday.